How long does it take to activate my T-Mobile SIM card?
Welcome to your comprehensive guide to activating your new T-Mobile SIM card. We're going to walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you're connected and ready to go in no time. Remember, it generally takes about 24 hours or less to activate your T-Mobile SIM card.
What do I need before starting?
Before we start the activation process, you need a few essential items. Make sure you have your T-Mobile SIM card, the activation code provided with your SIM card, and the device you want to use the SIM card in.
How do I activate my T-Mobile SIM card?
Activating your SIM card is straightforward. Follow these steps. 1. Insert the SIM card into your phone following your device's instructions. 2. Power on your device. 3. Go to the T-Mobile activation page on your device's web browser. 4. Follow the on-screen instructions, entering your activation code when prompted. Please remember, it may take a few minutes to a few hours for the activation to be processed.
How will I know when my SIM card is activated?
Once you've completed the activation process, your device should connect to the T-Mobile network. If you can make calls, send texts, or use data, your SIM card has been successfully activated. If not, allow up to 24 hours for the activation to complete. If you're still unable to connect after 24 hours, reach out to T-Mobile customer support. We hope this guide has made activating your T-Mobile SIM card a breeze. Remember, it's a simple process, and the longest you'll usually need to wait is 24 hours. Happy connecting!